Core processes interact with each other, and they interact with support processes in order to create value. A core process is any process that interacts with the customer, provides income for the business, and is critical to the success of an organization. A support process is any other process that simply supports the core processes. A core process in one business can be a support process in another, such as IT. To a web development firm, it is a core process, but to a travel agency, it may be just a support process. We look at a piece of fruit as simply something to eat, something to enjoy, but that is not its true purpose in life. Fruit exists as a means of spreading the plant's seed as far and as wide as possible. The seeds, located at the core, are critical to the success of this endeavor, and the flesh supports the process by enticing you to eat it, with the hopes that you will transport those seeds to a new location. A business operates similarly, in that the core processes are critical to its success, and the support process exists to ensure that the core processes are successful at their purposes. External suppliers provide the raw materials for the product creation process. At the start of the industrialized revolution, most organizations sourced their own raw materials and monopolized the entire chain from ground to customer. But so much has changed over the centuries, and today, even the most robust businesses use raw materials from external, specialized suppliers. Dealing with external suppliers is generally a support process for product creation. Product creation is a core process because workers in the product creation process in the operations functional area receive raw materials from suppliers, exchange information about customers' wants and needs with marketing staff, and exchange information about product features and functions with product development personnel. The only differences in the service industry is that the product is the actual work being done rather than the creation of the tangible object. Marketing is a key portal for any business. It is how information on customers' wants and needs enter the organization, and how information about the organization's products and services reaches the customer. Marketing information is an input to all other core processes, and marketing personnel receive output directly from all other core processes. Even in its simplest form, word of mouth, marketing is a fundamental core process which will ultimately determine the success or failure of any organization. Sales and service is a key portal for the direct exchange of information with the business's customers. Sales and service personnel interact with marketing staff and with product development personnel. It is through the sales process that we develop new customers and revenue for the organization. The service process, however, is how we maintain those relationships with our organization's customers, turning a one-time buyer into a repeat customer. Product development personnel interact with workers in all of the other core processes. Information is exchanged about products, services, features, and functions with personnel in product creation, marketing, and even in sales and service. Every business has a product. Whether it is tangible or not will be determined by whether the business is in the service or manufacturing industries. And every product must be created. It must be improved upon and developed further. It is a core principle that for a business to stay competitive, its products must represent the current culture and state of its customers. External customers communicate directly with the sales and service personnel. We deal with two types of customers in Six Sigma, the external and the internal. An internal customer is anything that is within the organization. The warehouse is an internal customer of the assembly line, and one part of the assembly line is an internal customer to another. External customers are our end users. They are the ones who will ultimately purchase and use our products and services. The support processes interact directly with the core processes. Simply put, a core process cannot function alone. For example, a business in the travel industry may sell tickets on a cruise ship, and of course, they may make a very good profit from it. But until they expand their presence to the internet, they are not fully utilizing their organization's potential. In this industry, IT is a support process to the services offered by the company. It allows the agents to communicate directly with potential customers in a multitude of different ways. Functional areas, which are sometimes called business units, are groups of processes that work together to accomplish a specific function. A good example of a functional area is the sales department of a business. The sales team deals directly with the customers and learns new things about the needs and wants of their potential client base. They can then provide that information to the marketing team, who can help to reshape the brand to match the current culture and state of the potential clientele of the organization. Marketing then works with the product development team to change and update the product to match those needs. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.